In this video, I'll show you how to get HDR CC in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to bring it into the timeline. Once your video is loaded, tap on the video clip to select it. Now go to the editing tools and look for Adjust. This is where you can create the HDR CC look manually by changing the color and lighting settings. Start by increasing the brightness just a little, but don't make the video too washed out. Then raise the contrast to make the dark and bright areas stand out more clearly. Next, increase the saturation slightly to make the colors look stronger. After that, adjust sharpen to make the details look clearer. Be careful not to add too much sharpening because it can make the video look rough or unnatural. Now go to highlights and lower them slightly if the bright parts are too strong. Then increase shadows a little if you want more detail in darker areas. You can also adjust temperature and tint depending on the style you want. A cooler temperature gives a clean, dramatic look, while a warmer temperature makes the video feel brighter and more cinematic. For a stronger HDR-CC effect, you can also open Effects and search for effects like HDR, Sharpen, Glow, or Edge. Apply the effect lightly and reduce the intensity if it looks too strong. After that, play the video and compare the before and after look. The goal is to make the video brighter, clearer, more colorful, and more detailed without over-editing it. Once you are happy with the result, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose a high resolution, such as 1080p or 4K if available, and save the video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.